Welcome. We will learn in this short tutorial how to install youGET with easy steps. First, we need to create a new database. On our cPanel dashboard, we click on MySQL Databases. We choose a name for our new database. In my case, my database name is youGET. Then we click on Create Database button. Now we need to create a new database user. We need to choose a username and a password. After that, we click on Create User button. And in this final step, we need to add our new created user to our database. You need to remember your database username, because we will need it later. We need also to check all privileges. Now we need to edit our config file. To do so, we need to go to our downloaded files from Code Canyon and edit the env file. Enter your database informations here. Then click on Save. Now we zip the entire folder, to upload it easily to our web hosting. We open our file manager, and we browse to our domain path, and we upload our recently zipped folder. We select our zip file, and we extract all of its content on our public path. In this final step, we need to import the SQL file to our database. To do so, we click on phpMyAdmin. Then we click on our database name, and we click on the Import button. And finally, we select the SQL file and we click on Execute button. And now we are done. We can check our youGET app by browsing to our domain URL.